This is the lecture on the present simple tense. Present simple is usually the first tense that is learned, but it does not mean that it's only used in simple situations. The present simple has many uses even in advanced language. And strangely, it is not used for describing actions that are happening right now. For that, we need the present continuous. Present simple is used for habits, repeated actions, unchanging situations, instructions, general truths, and fixed arrangements. So how do we form the simple present? Well, we have four options. In the positive case, the subject plus conjugated verb. And as an example, I like ice cream. So I is a subject, like is how to like is conjugated for first person singular, and so we get I like ice cream. In a negative statement, we need the help of verb to do, so subject plus do or does not, plus infinitive without to, so we don't like ice cream, which is the abbreviated form of we do not like ice cream. And like is the infinitive without to. As a question, do or does the subject plus infinitive without to. So does she like ice cream? And as a negative question, do or does not plus subject plus infinitive without to. Doesn't he like ice cream? So we'll look at some examples. For habits, I drink coffee at breakfast. So every day I have a cup of coffee with my breakfast. I smoke, cigarettes presumably, again two habits. For repeated actions, every year we go on holiday to Spain, where we go is the present simple part. I get the bus to work every day. I get is the present simple part. And for unchanging situations, he works in Washington. That's his permanent job, not a temporary situation. They speak fluent French. But they're not going to suddenly forget how to speak French. It's an unchanging situation, and they speak is the present simple part. For instructions, if somebody's asking the way somewhere, you can say, well, go to the end of the road and then you turn right. So this comes up twice, the present simple. You go and then you turn. Or what you might typically see on the back of a packet of foodstuffs, pour the contents into cold water and stir for 2 minutes. There's no subject here because they're using the sort of command or imperative form. And it's pour the content, so pour is the verb and stir is the verb. Both present simple. For general truths and also zero conditionals, we can say the earth goes around the sun. Where goes is the verb, it's a general truth. And for zero conditionals, we can say if you heat ice, it melts. So you heat and it melts are the present simple parts. And lastly, fixed arrangements. The exam starts at 1400. So at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the exam starts. This is known in advance and it's a fixed arrangement. Or we leave tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Again, the arrangement is known in advance. And we are saying that at 6 o'clock tomorrow we will leave.